In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Malicious software removal tool. A standalone tool to remove malware after an infection. It works across Windows 10, Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2016, Windows 8.1, and earlier. We'll be focusing on Windows 10 in this tutorial, but you can follow along on any Windows version. First, though, a little more about what this malware removal tool from Microsoft is all about. Why would you use this instead of Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Safety Scanner, or a piece of third-party software? The answer is that some malicious software may disable your antivirus capabilities, or be difficult to remove via traditional means. It only removes a concise list of the most prevalent malicious software, and is designed to do so while the malware is active. It receives updates quarterly, and automatically runs once per month. It comes in two forms: Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 64-bit, and Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 32-bit. The version you have will vary depending on your processor and OS type. It's important to note that it does not remove spyware, only viruses, worms, and trojans, and does not stop malware from running in the first place. As a result, it's not a replacement for typical virus scanning software. With that said, let's get into how you can use the Windows Malicious Software Removal tool to run a manual scan. Before starting a video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon, so you never miss my new video. So let's get started. Microsoft doesn't signpost the location of MRT, so you'll have to seek it out yourself via a targeted search, or download it. First, press Start button, and type MRT. Click the top result, which will be its file path. Read the disclaimer, and press Next. To run a quick scan of your system, tick the Quick Scan checkbox, and press Next. Be aware that this will only scan the areas of your system that most commonly contain malware. A quick scan returning nothing does not necessarily mean you are safe, especially if you have seen strange behavior on your PC. If the quick scan does pick up malicious software, you may want to follow it with a full scan to ensure all remnants are removed. To run a full scan, instead, tick the Full Scan box. Ensure that you have several hours free, as this could take some time. If you know exactly where the problem lies, for example, you've discovered a Trojan via another antivirus solution, you can run a custom scan. This lets you check a specific folder for malicious software. Click Customized Scan, then press the Choose Folder option. Select the folder to scan. You can also scan a specific drive, such as just your C drive, to save time. This could take anywhere from minutes to hours depending on your choice. Click View Detailed Results of the scan to see the malicious software tool did or didn't detect. By default, the Windows Malicious Software Removal tool is included in the Windows system, and the updates of this tool are distributed via the Windows Update service. You can update Windows 10 or 11 operating system to get the latest version of the MSRT tool. However, Microsoft also provides a standalone download service for Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. If you want, you can manually download this tool on your Windows computer. Check how to download Windows Malicious Software Removal tool, 64-bit for Windows 10 or 11. First, go to Microsoft Download Center in your browser. Click the search box at the top right corner to search for Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 64-bit. Click the Download Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 64-bit link. From the search results, open the official download page of this tool. Select a language, and click the Download button to download the MSRT 64-bit installation package to your computer. After downloading, install and run this tool to start scanning your computer. Hopefully, a detailed guide here helps you to remove viruses from your computer. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Also, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next one.